Salut, je m'appelle Casey. Hi everyone, I am Casey. Welcome to French Vlog. Today, together with my partner, we're going to teach you some of the most commonly greetings used in France. Are you ready? Let's start. The most common informal greetings is salut. Salut. It means hi. We use it when we meet our friends or family. For example, in a situation that you meet your friend in a cafe, you will say, Salut, comment ça va? Salut, comment ça va? Now, let's proceed to the formal way to greet people. The one that you always hear is bonjour, bonjour. So bonjour means good day or good morning. We use it to greet people in morning until 5 p.m. For example, you're ordering coffee in a cafe. You can start to greet people with bonjour. Okay, next is bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening or hello. It is used after 6 p.m. or after sunset. For example, you're running to your neighbor into evening. You can say, Bonsoir, Madame Martin. Bonsoir, Madame Martin. Next is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit means good night. It is used when you want to go to sleep. Next is au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. It is the safest way to say goodbye in French. For example, you're leaving at the office at the end of the day. You can say, au revoir à demain. Au revoir à demain. The next informal greetings is allô. Allô. It means hello. We use it to start a conversation on the telephone or phone. For example, in a situation that you're answering a phone, you will say, allô. Allô. Okay, next we have merci. Merci. Merci means thank you. And if you want to say thank you in simple way, you can say merci. And then we have merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup means thank you very much. It is the most popular way in saying thank you in French. And then we have de rien. De rien. De rien means you're welcome or it was nothing. For example, your office mates say thank you to you, and then you can say de rien. And those are just a fewer common greetings in French. But don't go anywhere as my partner Mayan will take over from here to introduce more ways to greet people in French.
Je m'appelle Mayan. Hello, I'm Mayan, and today I'm gonna teach you some basic and common greetings used in French. So my partner already teaching some greetings, so I'm here to add some.
Bonne chance. Bonne chance. It means good luck. You can use it when someone else is going to do something significant, like to start a new job, cook gift, or do something challenging. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. It means enjoy your meal. You can use it before meal. A tout à l'heure. A tout à l'heure. It means see you later. You can use it when you plan on seeing the person again but don't know when. Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? It means how are you? In French, there are three ways of saying how are you. This one is the casual. You can use it with your friends or family. À demain. À demain. It means see you tomorrow. When you're saying goodbye to someone and have plans to see each other again. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. It means please. This word may use when you ask for something. À bientôt. À bientôt. It means see you soon. You can use it when you are saying goodbye to someone either in person or over text or email. Lastly, we have bon voyage. Bon voyage. It means enjoy your trip. You can use it to wish someone a safe and happy journey when they are traveling. Lastly, we have bon voyage. Bon voyage. It means enjoy your trip. You can use it to wish someone a safe and happy journey when they are traveling.
That's all for today's video. So we hope you learned something from us. Thank you for watching. Let us see. Au revoir.